5 main reasons why a new toenail might grow under a healthy one. Ever noticed a new toenail growing beneath an old, seemingly healthy one? It might look odd and leave you scratching your head. Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we'll break down the top 5 reasons behind this fascinating nail phenomenon. Let's dive into the surprising culprits that could explain why your body is growing double nails. Physical trauma is the most common reason for double-layered toenails. Dropping something heavy, stubbing a toe, or repetitive pressure, like tight shoes, can damage the nail bed. Your body's natural response? It creates a new nail underneath as part of the healing process, even if the top nail looks normal. Did you know fungal toenail infections could cause nail regrowth under an existing nail? When a fungal infection thickens your nails or causes detachment, a fresh nail might begin to grow underneath as a replacement. Keep an eye out for signs like yellowing, crumbling edges, or foul odors. It might indicate fungus at work. Psoriasis doesn't just affect your skin, it can affect your nails too. This condition can disrupt how nails grow, causing abnormalities such as new nails forming beneath old ones. If you notice pitting, discoloration, or ridges on your nails, a skin condition could be contributing to this problem. Sometimes, nail anomalies like a double-layer growth are simply hereditary. If someone in your family has experienced similar nail oddities, genetics might be the reason behind yours. While you can't change your genes, knowing your family history can help you stay proactive about nail health. Overusing certain nail products, cutting nails too short, or neglecting hygiene can harm your nails over time. Damage to the nail bed or surrounding skin can trigger regrowth beneath a nail. Simple habits like proper trimming and moisturizing might prevent unnecessary strain on your toenails. Always let damaged nails heal completely before adding pressure with pedicures or polish. While a new toenail growing underneath isn't always a major health issue, sometimes it signals conditions needing attention. Persistent pain, swelling, or nails growing abnormally thick or misshapen could require a podiatrist or dermatologist's expertise. Your doctor can pinpoint the problem and recommend treatments to restore nail health. Toenail trouble can often be prevented with good care practices. Wear properly fitting shoes, keep your nails dry, and avoid injuring the nail bed. Regular checks for discoloration or unusual growth patterns can also help detect problems early. It's easier to address nail health issues when caught sooner rather than later. Your nails do more than look good. They tell a story about your health. If you notice any unusual growths, examine your habits and seek professional advice when necessary. Hit like, subscribe, and share this video to spread awareness about nail health. Let's keep our feet in top shape, starting today.